My name is Vuk Stajic. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for the DME Group. The DME Group consists of multiple facets of manufacturing locations that we have right now, primarily in the brewing industry. We're the company that makes the gear that makes the beer. That's what we do. We manufacture from scratch brewhouse equipment. When I came aboard, which was about 6 years ago, I was hired as a salesperson, and at that time there was nothing in place. We had no tracking of our existing customers, nothing.
On top of that, we had no ability to connect with our ERP. We had no way to drive a better pricing model or a better pricing strategy.
It was cumbersome, and it took time to put something together, time to put together a nice proposal for a customer. So leads were coming to us, and they were basically stacking up, and we could not get back to them fast enough because of our current tools. We need a solution that A, tracks everything and automatically fills out the field so we can do some deep market analysis on what we're quoting. The other part was the rapid response time to our customer. And the third part was it had to tie into our SysPro environment. What the new integration that Nubik has done is the integration that we're actually reading from the SysPro database. So when the sales staff is quoting, they're quoting with accuracy and confidence.
The biggest difference that we have now is that we actually have no duplicate of information.
The benefits we're seeing immediately because we were able to track current sales and new sales and future sales very rapidly.
Obviously, with CPQ being a native part of Salesforce, we don't ever have to type information in twice, and that saves a lot of time over a course of a year.
If I just look at the past of where we were very siloed in the sales compared to the rest of the organization because of our tools that we're using. The CRM tool with the ability to quote remotely is massive for us.
We've developed custom bundles that are pre-sorted to exact kind of cookie cutter scenarios that we see most often in the industry. This allows the salesperson to very rapidly add an entire bundle of products to their quote.
Today's solution is fast and allows us to generate the quote quickly and allows us more time with the customer to build the relationship. And that was 100% the number one reason why we went down this road.
And the great thing about working with Nubik is not only are we getting somebody that's going to give us the big picture solution, we have a trusted partner that understands Salesforce, that understands how our business operates.
Working through this process has been stellar.
Whenever Jeff came down to visit us, he was very eager to learn about the company, to learn about the business practices.
Very knowledgeable, understanding.
Was really able to show us that this was the path to take, that expanding with CPQ was going to give us all the options that we wanted.
It's been all very 100% positive and timely.
I wouldn't look any further than Nubik.